very royal kind of scent. I would really love. I think it is going to be. Today we have another French Avenue, and stay with me. I'm going to unbox this liquid Brun and find out. I have heard a lot about this one. Let's find out whether it stands for its name or not. So it is a dupe of Althair from Perfume de Marly. So let's unbox this. I am Mohammad Hassan. This is Scent Explorer, and let's see what we can find out in this one. So just unwrap it, and where I have to open this, how it is going to open. This is strange. Maybe I have to move this. Oops. Okay, so this is like this. So this is a door, and it is, on a different side. So this is how it opens, like this. Very unconventional kind of opening to me. Anyhow, so this is liquid Brun, and this is the bottle. I just don't want to throw it down. So let's get it out. Nice bottle, not very big, just handy enough to get in your hands. There's a dust a little bit on it. I'm not sure how it got on it. Maybe it's metallic kind of vibe. So let's spray it out on paper and find out how it actually smells. So, bismillah. Light metallic. For me, it is the start was light metallic and a little kind of caramel kind of vibe, maybe a bit on the gourmandish side. This is kind of like silver, cold metallic silver with caramel on top of it. Really loving it. This is a very different kind of approach. Even if the original perfume was Althair, Parfum de Marly, I really salute the designer, whoever, created this accord. This is a very, unique way of mixing light metallic kind of vibe to, metallic perfume with a caramel kind of, vibe. So this is liquid Brun. Now it has some kind of citrus. I'm not sure. Let's find out on Fragnatica what it has. Yes, it is sweet. Vanilla, yes. Cinnamon, maybe, yes. Maybe that's why it is kind of like caramel vibe. Vanilla and cinnamon maybe mixing together. It has some caramel. White florals. Aromatic, yes, it is aromatic. And cardamom, cinnamon, these are one of my favorite notes. Bergamot, orange blossom. That is why I am getting citruses. It is bergamot and Bourbon, vanilla. Elemi, I have the actual natural Elemi extract in my cupboard. So I have smelled that. This is a very, very lovely, light citrus kind of very sweet, very lovely, aromatic. It's a flower, I think. Praline, yes, that is why I'm getting this caramel kind of gourmandish vibe. Ambroxan, Guaiac wood, and musk. Yes, this is a very, very interesting. Oh, this is very, very good. This is kind of like, how would I say? It is going to suit a person that is elegant, that is, classy, that is unique, or maybe whatever he does, he's an expert in his field. So for all those who are expert or experts, buy this one. This is a very, very safe scent. Now there are some white florals that still are not irritating me because mostly I get headache from white florals. Now the mid is a bit floral. I didn't like it much. I really love the top, the metallic, cool kind of vibe with caramel or vanilla, praline kind of mix. There is some Ambroxan. Maybe that is why Ambroxan and musk, that is actually toning down the white florals. Otherwise, I might have get a headache. Now it is like a sparkling kind of white floral kind of vibe to this one. I am not enjoying this mid-tones, or maybe it is different on skin, but on paper, I'm not enjoying. I really loved its top notes. Very, very lovely top notes. But the mid is just okay for me. Still, it is kind of like very royal kind of scent. I would really love. I think it is going to be a safe, I would say, blind buy kind of perfume. So this one I would add to the list of safe blind buys. I bought it on just the reviews and just try to find out what it actually smells like. So this is my review about liquid Brun. I hope that you have enjoyed this. I'm going to rate it now. I would rate scent profile to be 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10. Very unique start. I haven't sniffed perfumes that have like metallic and gourmandish kind of start. This is very, very lovely. The top notes are just, I have few perfumes that they have, unique dry downs. I love like Rosasi, Asrar, Buruz, Al Buruz series, Indonesia, Asrar, Indonesia, that has the best dry down. Still, I would say Aventus, it has the best Creed Aventus, it has the best dry downs. But this one really tops up everything for the top notes. So this is the one most of the perfumes I sniff, they have top notes like citruses or something like that. This one was very, very unique in the start. So I would give it 8 or 9 out of 10 for scent profile, and I'm going to give it performance. I think 8 out of 10. I have heard a lot of people that this performs really well. So this is my review about Liquid Brun from French Avenue. I hope that you like my honest reviews, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.